Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Wednesday, February 26, 2025. And we are in week 9, so Q1 and week 9. 4 more weeks, we will finish Q1 right there. Because 1 year is divided into 4 quarters, and 1 quarter is 13 weeks. So 1 year we have 52 trading week right there. And for this week, Monday and Tuesday, the price move real good. Basically, it fall into a pattern 9:30 next leg down. And today, Wednesday, something happened. The opposite happened. Basically, it so at 9:30 it flipped. It thought it gonna sell up, but it flipped. But the pattern is there. It's so beautiful. All right, and tomorrow we're looking for the GDP data. It will tell us, how the economy doing. It's gonna be grow or it's gonna be slow down. A lot of anticipate or a lot of indicator point into the fact that the economy may slow down. And then on Friday we're gonna have the PCE data, right? Personal income, because basically it's a subset of the inflation PCI data. All right, so for the option, we have the end of month option right there, right? End of month option on Friday, and which is on Friday we also have a PCA data released right there. All right, that is the brief for the economic news, and now we go into the charts. All right, before we go to charts, just take a look at the screenshot we take in the beginning of the day. We always do this practice at the beginning of the day. We take the screenshot. So on our left is the daily time frame, and on our right is the weekly time frame. So we see that a heavy congestion right here. Right here at the level, you see the week right here is November 6th when the election, and then we see the retracement around the mid-range of that candle. So basically from this level 59.06 to this level right here 60.48, so it's around that level. So for this this week we saw that it tests this level right there. You see this level is right there with the so-called non-expansion move right here, which is basically a doji, for another words, for lack of a word. So look at that, give us some idea. So right now we see that level is break, and then it reverse and test from above 1-2. So let's say if this week it break the level, the 59.67, then we know that it's gonna come down and reach this level. For the daily time frame, you see that it did test the level also. So we don't think that the down move is finished yet. So that's the idea right there. It's not finished yet, so we still bearish. It may come down all the way here on the one, which is the weekly right there, 59.06 right there. So that's what our thought process when we see this at the beginning of the day. All right, here's the 4-hour time frame. So basically is above this level. It may, you see that it break and it may reverse, so that can be a bearish signal right there at the level 59.94 when we check this screenshot early in the morning, 5 almost 6 a.m. Eastern time right there. And here is our right here 15 minutes right there. So basically the open at 18 right here, so it's above that level. And we see that this is the leg down right here, and then it make a second leg down, and then it reversed from there. So let's see how the 9:30 open right there. All right, here's is at the end of the day what we see. Okay, let's look at the end of the day. No, let's look at the recording real quick. All right, so here's the recording that we have. All right, so that we started recording around that time ago. And now let's move, you see that, go to 9:30. This is the yes, and 9:30, okay, go back a little bit, you see right there. So that is our 9:30 right there. It's just below the 8. You see that? Yeah, the 1800 hour, the 18-hour range right there. So it's just below that level. So we thought that that may be another downswing at 9:30, like the last 2 days. That's what happened for last, 2 or 3 days. If you go to the chart, you will see. Now let's go to the charts. We will see. You see the yesterday right there. The idea. 9:30 it starts swing down. It flipped right there. It's supposed to go up and flip, but it's a fake move because it tests from above. So gives you an idea. As soon as you flip, you go in. Yesterday we did trade and we took it up. Oh, by the way, the market just opened. That's the reason why you see the jump right there. But anyway, it fall into the pattern right here. 9:30. Next swing down, right? That's for Tuesday, the 25th, and then the same idea right here for the Monday. So basically, we have 2 days on the road, actually 4 days, 3 days, including Friday right here. You have a swing down or neck leg down at 9:30. I think is that, yes, I think right here also 9:30. So at least we have, it is Thursday 20. So February 20 is that last Thursday. Let's check it real quick. 20. Yeah. So basically we have 4 days in the row at 9:30 to sell off, neck leg down. I think we did have a pattern right there for at the 9:30 swing down. So on last Thursday, Friday, and then you go into Monday, the same idea, and then Tuesday, the same idea. Okay, and now today, at 9:30 exactly 4 minutes. We thought it's gonna be the same, but actually it flipped. And you know what? We use a practice account. We go long right here. For the real account, we did not. But we just say, okay, just use the practice account, go long with it to see how it feels. And turn out it's worked. It flipped back and hit our target. It's crazy. We don't have the recording, or also we don't have the screenshot because we trade on the mobile device, so we don't have the luxury. but we do let our recording right here running, so we have it. So basically right here it flip, you see that? It flip, boom, the next candle is really go right there. If you take a look at this level, you can see that there is a setup right there. You see that? Break test from below, and this one is flipped, so boom, it's gonna go up. So this one at 9:30, 40, 9:45, and then it's at 8:45, and then 8:30. I think it's 8:15. Let's look at that candle. Make sure we caught it right. So basic right here, 8:45. So we have a setup. You can see that. You see that? So break test from below and reverse. That's its type 1 reversal right there. We can document real quick right here. So basically the 9:30 is flipped. You know, just be patient. The setup will show up. So don't chase them. It will fall into our life. It will come to it. It will fire. Just to be patient. 59.89. Yeah, 59.89 right here. Alright, so 59.89 right there. So basically we have a setup right here. We have give a second, we need to open this with a snipping tool so you can see. Alright, so we have it ready for you right here. So this, let's put a annotation right here is 8:30, 9:30. Don't chase them. I think we did chase them around here. I think we chased around here and we pay the price. We blow our account again. Yesterday we have a huge wins, but today we just blow up our account, the real account. But we still use our practice account to the end of month for the next billing cycle. Hope that we feel better. Just embrace, you know, the errors. We should be comfortable with the loss and errors. Alright, so it's basically we mark that 9:30 because that's the critical. Remember, the price action is not only based on the price, but actually based on the time also. Sometimes we forgot that the time is play around right there. Play a critical role right there. So basically we have a setup right here. So we have a break, and then you have a test from below, and then you have a reverse right here. Yeah, just 3 steps, so simple, but it's very effective. Beautiful right there, and it is with the open at 8 o'clock. No, not 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. the prior day right there. So let's edit this so we can put So basically right here the setup we have is a 4 breakout reversal type. Type 1 is very reliable, it's bottom type 2. So basically we have 3 steps. First is break a level. In this case we can put a level right there. We can do the level at here. Alright, at the level is 59.89. Okay, let's do this. So, and yeah, 59.89, and you put the times in here, okay? So it's 9:45. That's at the price level and at the time right there, a candle 15-minute break, and then you have a test from below, and then you have a reverse move. It's so simple and very effective, and we still, even though we know, but the practice is so critical, and we still not 100% get it, so we will get there. So continue to practice and continue to give ourselves room to grow. We will be fine. We will be okay. So what is this right here? That is to give a second. All right, we just got it fixed. Basically, we want the font the same. Yeah, Calibri. So we just close them and we open again, up again. So basically the first one is you will break the level. In this case the level is 59.89. And then you're gonna see the next move. Wait for the next move, give you some idea. So it's basically expansion move, and then this one is a doji, a non-expansion move right there. In this case it's got flip. That's from below. In this case, it's a non-expansion right there. You want to see expansion. In this case, you can say it's expansion right there. The break is the expansion. You want to see that happen. And then you have the reverse. So basically right here, you either have a continuation or reverse. In this case, it's a reverse. So we have beautiful setup right there. And if we let 3R, which is 15 point, then we read right away. We did that on our practice account. Alright, let's save it for now. Alright, now let's review the trade that we took for today. Alright, here's the first trade we took for today. So after the flip right here, we wasn't available to check the trade when 9:45 right now. So we didn't catch that move, so we come in late. So right here we go long right there. So we am at 60.15. So we still at a 1 contract. Then we feel a little bit nervous when it comes back, so we just take a quick profit and we get out. If we still stay in the trade, up to 45, 9:45, I think we will reach the target. So 55, 16, 15, right here we hit the target. So next candle, yeah, that's candle right there. We go in at 10. If we hit 14 or at least this one at 10, 15. If we hit the target at 15 right here. Yeah. Right there. The high of this is 615. So we look at the trade 1. See that we am at 60.50. So this one is not hit the 50. It's 15, but it's at exactly 15. So then the next candle will be 10.15. We hit that price level right there. You see that? But it may retrace back a little bit. Let's see if it retrace first, or it gonna it expands to the upside first. Look at the 10.15. Right, that's the 10.15 right there. No, it's not. Okay. Is that the 10? Yes. Yeah, so it expands first. So our target we hit at a 10, 11, 21 right there. So basically we get chicken nugget, we get our trade too early. If we leave in a trade, it will hit our target right there. The whole idea that if we hit our target, if we add the contract right here. Yeah, we take a loss. Right, if we stay, it will hit. We're a little chicken nuggets, so that's our first trade. Is that right? Is that the first trade? No, this is second trade. Yeah, it's the first trade right here. We chicken nugget, we get out too early. And then the second trade we take is basically we try to go long again at the 10.15 right there. And after it hit the 15, 6.15, right, it kind of retraces back. We get nervous. We get out, and now we take a loss. So we not make good decision today for some reason. We are very impatient. That's the mode for today. So we make mistake after the mistake. Okay, so right here, trade number 3 right there. After it hits 15, we decide, oh, it may not break here, so we go long and we go with a big size right here. See that? Then when it retraces back, it hit our stop loss and we get a huge loss right there. Yeah, that's the trade number 3 we make right there. Here's trade number 4. We go in right here, and we take a quick loss. First, we go big side right here, and we take a quick loss right there. It go back and forth, I believe, and we take quick loss. And then we go to trade number 5 right here. So trade number 5 is good. We execute the trade very good because we know that right here, you see the level here is a test from below, break, and it kind of reverse. So we take a quick profit because it's not going to revert much right there. Take quick profit, so we cut down our loss almost in half from 2,800 to 113. That's good right there. Well, let's see right here. So up, yeah, right there. Yes. Yeah, right there. So it will like run a little bit more. At 11:30 we can get the profit right there. But let's see where is our. So it's 11. Yeah, it will like run. It will hit to the low of that level. So we may actually we get nervous, but actually we let it run. That's the mistake we make on trade 5. Let it run at least to around the level of this candle, and we see on the you see that the low of that candle. This is the doji candle, which is a non-expansion move. After expansion, it make a non-expansion move. That where the market give us the signal what it's gonna do next. Yep. Yeah, so as soon as we see this close above level and then it reverse back right away, then aim for the targets. That's the beauty right there. We learn our lesson very dearly today. So trade number 5, we make mistake that we should let it run more. Right, the perfect entry, but let it run more. So it will let it run to the low. So right here, the 605, right, the low of that candle. Let's see what's the low of that candle. The low of this candle will be 5 more points. So that means that it will let it run. It will be 10 points. So it's about, yeah, we can get a huge profit right there. 10 points, right? 1 point. Yeah, we have got $5,000 right there. Around $5,000. We recover our loss right there. We lost 2,800, right? Yeah, so that's the mistake we make for trade number 5. All right, trade number 6, perfect. But you know what? We had a perfect entry. What do we see right here? Beautiful pattern. You see right here, the candle non-expansion move, and as soon as it break around that level, it reverses back, and you see right here at the low of that candle, you see what? Test from above, break, reverse, test from above, and if it's gonna break it, so it's gonna create a type 1 reversal right here. See that? Break, test from up, and reverse. It's a beautiful setup. But we take the profit too early. See that? We take the profit too early. We should let it run. It's going to be a huge run for us. Take it too early. Because our focus is just try to get back to our loss instead of look at the markets on the move of the markets right there. You see the mistake we make? That's the huge mistake we make. It's beautiful setup. If you look right here in the chart, you can see right there. Beautiful right here. Let's mark this one and you can see it. The low of this is 60, 50. Yeah. So basically at low, you see the pattern right here. It tests from above, right? Reverse, right? And then it reverse, and then it tests from above again. So get ready for a short setup. So if we count from the candle, you see that break, test from above, and reverse is type 1 reversal right there. And it's above the time also. Yeah. So it takes a while from the 10 to the 12, 2 hours to build liquidity right there around this level. The level right is break this 2 level right there. It takes 2 hours to build liquidity and then boom. So we have on the trader mistake, beautiful setup, beautiful entry, but we exit too early. The reason basically because we so caught up on the try to not to be loose. That's a wrong mentality. We just let it run, accept a lot and let it run. You see the heel run right there? That's beautiful. But anyway, let mark this this setup so we know this one gonna be 12:30. Around 12, it already give us the signal right there. Let's go with 12 right here. This candle is 10. See right here you have the signal. Or give us the signal right here. Test above this level. You see that? It break, it will never test above. It tests above again and it got flip. Get ready to short them. 12. Alright, that's 12. Now it is 12:15. So we'll be the top right here. Yep. The last expansion right here. All of it is just try to shoot the rest of it. For 2 hours, it just try to build liquidity. In this case, it sells liquidity. See that? All of it just within this, and then boom, it rip. Or let's take this screenshot and we grab up here. So basically right here, you see that setup. Yeah, whenever you see the break and reverse back right away and touch from above, it's just a very reliable for short setup right there. Yeah, it's a neck leg down. Man, so beautiful. Yeah, so basically you have a hallmark right there. It can be a type 1 right here. So basically you test from above and then you reverse. And look at the candle before that. So you either call a type 1 reversal right here for breakout, or it's a neck leg down. It really neck legs down, or let's keep it simple for now. So basically we keep it simple. You got 4 breakout, reversal, type 1. Or it can be a neck leg down. You can connect it down. Let's go with this for now. Keep simple. So basically you have first is a break and then second is test from above, in this case source up, and then you have a reverse. And this is happened at 12 12:30. That's amazing. 12:30, huh? Yep. So basically, you have one is break the level, expansion break, and then you have a test from above. And it's a non-expansion move, right? And here we have a 3 reverse. Yeah, it's a beautiful setup. Alright, we save it. It's a very beautiful setup. I think we wrap up here. We're out of time. We thank you for your time and interest. We always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, and success coming our way for sure. Day by day, little by little, in every way we can better and better. Thank you again, and have a great evening. See you tomorrow.